Welcome to Norway, a land where engineering marvels meet breathtaking natural beauty. Our journey begins as we enter the Lærdal Tunnel, passage that takes us through the heart of the mountains, connecting the quaint village of Lærdal with the vibrant town of Orland. Stepping out of the tunnel, we're greeted by the stunning fjords, carved by glaciers over millennia. These majestic waterways are just the beginning of our adventure in Norway, a country renowned for its natural wonders and cultural richness. Norwegian culture is deeply rooted in history and tradition. Experience the vibrant folk dances and the colorful celebrations of local festivals. Norway's commitment to preserving its heritage is evident in its rich folklore, traditional crafts, and culinary delights, like the famous rakfisk and lefse. Beyond the cities, Norway's national parks offer a glimpse into unspoiled wilderness. Jotunheimen National Park, home to Norway's highest peaks, is a paradise for hikers and adventure seekers. Witness the ethereal beauty of the fjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, or chase the northern lights in Tromsø, where the Arctic skies dance with colors. Norway is a land of contrasts, where modernity meets tradition, and every corner offers a new adventure. From its bustling cities to its serene landscapes, Norway invites you to explore, discover, and be inspired by its endless beauty. Norway's culture is a tapestry of tradition and modernity. In Oslo, explore local markets filled with organic produce and crafts, or visit museums that celebrate both Viking history and contemporary art. The city is also a leader in green initiatives, encouraging cycling, public transport, and energy-efficient practices. Beyond the city, Norway's true treasures lie in its national parks, where the beauty of untouched nature is preserved for generations to come. Jotunheimen National Park is a realm of towering peaks and glacial lakes, a haven for hikers and mountaineers seeking the thrill of the great outdoors. Norway's national parks are sanctuaries for wildlife, home to reindeer, Arctic foxes, and a myriad of bird species. The country's commitment to conservation is evident in its extensive network of protected areas, ensuring that these ecosystems remain undisturbed by human activity. The fjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a testament to nature's grandeur. As we explore its crystal-clear waters and cascading waterfalls, we also witness Norway's dedication to sustainable tourism. Efforts to minimize the environmental impact of tourism are paramount, with initiatives focusing on preserving the natural beauty for future visitors. Farther north, the Svalbard archipelago offers a glimpse into the Arctic environment. This remote region is a crucial area for climate research, as its fragile ecosystems are indicators of global environmental changes. Norway is at the forefront of Arctic conservation, striving to balance exploration with protection. Norway's commitment to renewable energy, particularly hydropower, sets an example for sustainable living worldwide. Norway's national parks are a testament to the country's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. With 47 national parks scattered across its vast landscapes, each offers a unique glimpse into the diverse ecosystems that define Norway's wilderness. Jotunheimen National Park, known as the home of the giants, is a majestic region filled with towering peaks and deep valleys. It is home to Galdhøpiggen, Norway's highest mountain, standing at 20,049 meters. Jotunheimen National Park, known as the home of the giants, is a majestic region filled with towering peaks and deep valleys. It is home to Galdhøpiggen, Norway's highest mountain, standing at 20,049 meters. The park is a sanctuary for a variety of wildlife, including reindeer, golden eagles, and the elusive Arctic fox. Conservation efforts ensure that these species thrive in their natural habitats, undisturbed by human activity. Ronde National Park, Norway's oldest national park, is characterized by its rugged mountain terrain and serene valleys. This area is especially important for the preservation of wild reindeer, which roam freely across the landscape. Visitors are reminded to keep a respectful distance from wildlife, particularly the reindeer herds, to avoid disrupting their natural behaviors. The Hardangervidda National Park is Europe's largest mountain plateau, offering a unique blend of Arctic and alpine environments. It is a crucial habitat for Norway's largest population of wild reindeer. Fishing and hiking are popular activities here, but visitors are required to obtain permits for fishing to ensure sustainable practices. The park also enforces strict leave no trace principles, emphasizing the importance of preserving the pristine environment. Norway's national parks have implemented various restrictions to protect their delicate ecosystems. Camping is permitted in designated areas only, and open fires are prohibited to prevent wildfires. These measures are crucial in maintaining the natural beauty and ecological balance of the parks. Conservation efforts in Norway focus on habitat preservation, species protection, and research initiatives. Park rangers and conservationists work tirelessly to monitor wildlife populations and implement strategies to mitigate the effects of climate change. Dovreftjell-Sunndalsfjella National Park is renowned for its diverse flora and fauna, including the iconic musk oxen. These prehistoric creatures roam the park's tundra, symbolizing the resilience of nature. Visitors are advised to maintain a safe distance from the musk oxen, as these powerful animals can be unpredictable. Guided tours are available, offering a safe and informative way to experience the park's wildlife. Norway's national parks are more than just natural wonders. They are a testament to the country's dedication to environmental stewardship. As we explore these breathtaking landscapes, we are reminded of our responsibility to protect and preserve them for future generations. We invite you to discover the beauty of Norway's wilderness, to tread lightly, and to be inspired by the harmony between nature and humanity. Together, we can ensure that these pristine environments remain untouched and thriving for years to come. Norway is a land of dramatic seasonal changes, where each season paints the landscape with its unique palette. From the vibrant greens of summer to the pristine whites of winter, Norway's beauty is ever-changing and always breathtaking. In summer, Norway comes alive under the midnight sun, offering endless daylight for exploration, temperatures creating the perfect conditions for hiking, kayaking, and exploring the stunning fjords. As autumn arrives, Norway's landscapes are painted in hues of gold and crimson. The crisp air brings cooler temperatures, and the skies offer a dazzling display of the northern lights, particularly in the northern regions. Winter transforms Norway into a snow-covered wonderland. This season offers a magical experience, from skiing in the world-class resorts to witnessing the ethereal beauty of the northern lights dancing across the Arctic sky. Spring in Norway marks a time of renewal, as the snow melts away to reveal blossoming flowers and awakening wildlife, inviting nature lovers to explore the rejuvenating landscapes. Norway's natural beauty is a precious resource that must be preserved. The country's commitment to conservation is evident in its national parks and protected areas, where efforts to maintain ecological balance and biodiversity are paramount. Sustainable practices are at the heart of Norwegian culture, from renewable energy initiatives to community-led conservation projects. Protecting these natural treasures ensures that future generations can continue to experience and cherish Norway's stunning landscapes. Visiting Norway offers an unparalleled opportunity to connect with nature and immerse yourself in its rich cultural heritage. From the dramatic fjords to the vibrant cities, Norway provides a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. Experience the warmth of Norwegian hospitality, savor the flavors of traditional cuisine, and partake in festivals that celebrate the country's vibrant traditions. Every visit to Norway is a chance to create unforgettable memories and foster a deep appreciation for the natural world. Norway's ever-changing seasons and breathtaking landscapes invite us to explore, appreciate, and protect their beauty. As we journey through this remarkable country, we are reminded of the importance of nature conservation and our role in safeguarding these pristine environments. Norway is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a vast playground for both aquatic and terrestrial sports. Whether you're seeking the thrill of the rapids or the serenity of a mountain trail, Norway has something for every adventurer. Norway's fjords provide the perfect setting for kayaking and canoeing. Paddle through the serene waters of the Fjord, surrounded by towering cliffs and cascading waterfalls. This immersive experience offers a unique perspective on Norway's breathtaking landscapes. Whether you're an experienced paddler or a beginner, Norway's lakes and rivers offer countless opportunities for exploration and adventure. Norway's coastline offers some unexpected opportunities for surfing. The beaches of Jæren, with their consistent waves and unspoiled beauty, attract surfers from around the world. Embrace the challenge and ride the waves in this stunning setting. Embrace the thrill of Norway's outdoor sports and discover the exhilaration of experiencing nature in its purest form. Plan your adventure today and create unforgettable memories in this land of endless possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Norway. We hope to see you soon in this land of endless beauty and adventure.
Ha det bra!